Get all the latest news and coronavirus and more delivered daily to your inbox. Sign up here.
North Carolina reported 691 new cases of the coronavirus Thursday, the state's highest daily count since the pandemic started, and, according to the state's Department of Health and Human Services (DHHS), confirmed cases reached upward of 17,000 Friday, 1 week into Phase 1 of its reopening plan.
But North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper said he and DHHS Secretary Drive. Mandy Cohen find the trends they are seeing to be positive as they attempt to flatten the curve.
In fact, the state DHHS reported 622 new cases Friday afternoon, down almost 70 cases from the day before.
Continued stability in these trends is a real positive for our state. While we remain on a good path for the 14-day trends we need to see to move to Phase 2, our progress as a state is still dependent on our individual actions, Cohen said in a statement.
North Carolina to begin Phase 1 reopening but stay-at-home order remains.
The first phase of the three-phase plan included a modified stay-at-home order that allowed people to leave the house for non-essential reasons. Parks were allowed to reopen and people could gather in groupings of 10 or less. Face masks are still encouraged to be used.
The data shows that all trends remain stable since Phase 1 was initiated May 7.
Hospitalization trends have leveled over the past 14 days and the daily testing rates have doubled.
Plans to initiate Phase 2 of the reopening plan have not yet been announced.
Armed anti-lockdown demonstrators seen ordering at Subway restaurant in North Carolina.
Our COVID-19 decisions are guided by the data and the science, Cooper said.
We will use the time in this phase to keep a careful eye on the data and the indicators before we are ready to announce the start of Phase 2. North Carolinians should continue to stay home if they can and take precautions to keep themselves safe.
Click here for the Fox News app.
Cooper and Cohen have said they need to continue watching trends before any shift in Phase 2 can be completed.
The state's second phase lifts all stay-at-home orders but encourages vulnerable people to continue to practice staying at home. Restaurants, bars and fitness centers are expected to start reopening during this time, as well, with new guidelines in place for social distancing.